everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make fried tofu on cauliflower fried rice. I hope you like this recipe. You will subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about it. Let's do it! So this is what the cauliflower looks like once it's grated. Looks like rice. Onion powder, a little bit. Garlic powder. Black pepper. Basil. Parsley. Oregano. Dried thyme leaves. Half a teaspoon curry powder. Mix it up. Garlic, ginger, pepper, celery, carrot, red bell pepper, black pepper, salt, basil, oregano, parsley, dried thyme leaves, perfect. Delicious. Push this to the side. Some more oil, tomato paste, sesame oil, cauliflower, perfect. Thyme leaves, black pepper, parsley, perfect. Delicious. Finish. I bet you never had this before. This is amazing. So let's dig in. First I'm gonna taste the fried rice. Oh my, this is so delicious. You can't even tell that it's not rice. Now I'm going to try the tofu. It's like a nice piece of fried fish. Very crunchy and nice. Yummy. It does taste like fried fish. This is so nice. This is really good. Doesn't have too much salt. I can taste the sesame oil. The vegetables are cooked and they're not mushy. The cauliflower is very nice. Let me know what you think. This is how the tofu looks inside. Very nice, like a piece of fried fish. So here you have it. Fried tofu on cauliflower fried rice. This is a very delicious vegetarian dish. I don't think you're missing rice at all when you have this, and you're not missing fish at all, because you can taste the tofu tastes like fish and the cauliflower tastes like rice. This is amazing. I hope you will try this dish and you will subscribe to my channel. Please let me know what you think about this dish. And thank you again for all your support. I really appreciate it.